Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our new unit 2.6 Commutative, Associative and Distributive Law. What is commutative law for addition? In this picture you can see that we add 5 candies into 3 candies, so we got 8 candies. And in second picture you can see that we add 3 candies into 5 candies, so again we got 8 candies. So this commutative law for addition says that we can swap numbers over and still get the same answer when we add them, which means that when we add 5 into 3 we got 8, and when we add 3 into 5 again we got 8. So we just swapped the numbers and got the answer same. So it does not matter that when we add 5 plus 3 or we add 3 plus 5 we got the same answer. So we just change the place of the numbers. Here we write 5 first and then 3, and in the second one we write 3 first and then 5. So we have just changed the number, we have just changed the place of the numbers and we got the answer same. So this is the commutative law for addition, where you can change the place of the number but you got the answer same, or you can swap the numbers, you got the answer same. Now commutative law for multiplication. Here we multiplied 2 balloons by 3 balloons, so we got 6 balloons. And when we multiplied 3 balloons by 2 balloons, again we got 6 balloons. So this law applies on multiplication. Similarly, in multiplication we can swap numbers over and get the same answer. We just change the place of the numbers and get the same answer. So in commutative law we just change the place of the number but the answers are same. Now what is associative law for addition? This is the associative law for addition. In first one we add 6 and 3 circles and then we add 4 circles. And on right hand side, first we add 3 and 4 circles, then we add 6 circles. So in this picture we have grouped 6 and 3. We have make a group of a number 6 and 3, and in this picture we have made a group of numbers 3 and 4. And then according to the board mass, you have learned in board mass is our previous unit, we have learned that first we have to solve the bracket. So first we have to solve the bracket, first we have to solve the group of the numbers, and then we add the other number or second number. Similarly in this side, first we add the group of a number 4 and 3, then we add 6. So we got the same answer. 6 plus 3 is 9, and when we add 9 into 4 we got 13. So first we add 6 and 3 and then add 4. And on the right hand side, first we add 3 and 4. When we add 3 and 4 we got 7, and 7 plus 6 we got 13. So associative law says that it does not matter that how we group the number, we get the same answer. It does not matter that how we group a number. On this side we have grouped 6 and 3, and on this side we have grouped 3 and 4, but we got the same answer. So it does not matter that how we group the number, we got the same answer, but the condition is that the numbers are same. Here we have 6, 3 and 4, and again here we have 6, 3 and 4. We cannot change the number, but we can change the place of the number. Now associative law for multiplication. Here we have multiplied 2 by 4 and then multiply by 3, and on the right hand side first we multiply 4 by 3 and then multiply by 2. On this side we have grouped 2 and 4, and on right hand side we have grouped 4 and 3 and then multiplied by the another number. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 and 8 multiplied by 3 24. And when we multiplied 4 by 3 we got 12, and 12 multiplied by 2 we got 24. So again in associative law for multiplication, it does not matter that how we group the number. On left hand side we have grouped 2 and 4, and on right hand side we have grouped 4 and 3, but we got the same answer. So it does not matter that how we group the number, the answers are same. So this associative law also apply on multiplication. Now the last one is distributive law. This is distributive law. On left hand side, first we add 2 and 4 and then multiply it by 3. But on the right hand side, first we multiply 3 by 2 and then 3 by 4, and then we find their sum. So what the distributive law says that the multiplication of 3 can be distributed across the 2 plus 4 into 3 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 4. On this side, first we have add 2 plus 4 and then multiply it by 3. But on the right hand side, we distribute 3 into 2 and 4. We distribute 3 by 2 and 4. We multiplied 3 by 2 and then we multiplied 3 by 4 and then find their sum. So in distributive law, we distribute the number which we multiplied by the addends. These numbers are called addends. The numbers which we are added are called addends. So in distributive law, we distribute the number, the multiplicand, by the addends and then find their sum. Now let's solve this. Now let's have some examples of all the laws. First is commutative law for addition. These are the examples for commutative law for addition. 4 plus 6 is equals to 6 plus 4. We have just changed the place of the number and we have just swapped the numbers, but we got the same answer. Now 10 plus 5 is equals to 5 plus 10. Now 20 plus 8 is equals to 8 plus 20. Now commutative law for multiplication. Examples for commutative law for multiplication. The first one is 7 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8 multiplied by 7. We have just changed the place of the number, but the numbers are same and we got the same answer. 19 multiplied by 5 is equals to 5 multiplied by 9. Here we have 19 and 5, and again here we have 5 and 19. The numbers are same but the places are different. 100 multiplied by 10 is equals to 10 multiplied by 100. These are the examples for commutative law for addition and multiplication. Now the examples for commutative law, associative law for addition. And in associative law we have grouped the numbers. So here we have grouped 9 plus 8 and then add 7. And in this side we have grouped 8 plus 7 and then add 9. 12 plus 9 plus 6 and 12 plus 9 plus 6. Here we have grouped 12 and 9 and here we have grouped 9 and 6. 3 plus 6 plus 4 is equals to 3 plus 6 plus 4. We have just changed the group of the number and the answers are same. Now examples for associative law for multiplication. 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. Here we have group 6 and 7, and here we have group 7 and 2, and then multiply it by 2, and then multiply it by 6. Now 100 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1 is equals to 10 multiplied by 1 and then multiply by 100. Now 12 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7 is equals to 12 multiplied by 6 by 7. According to the board marks, first we have to solve the bracket. So when we solve this question, first we have to solve the bracket and then we have to solve the other numbers. Now the examples for distributive law. 5 multiplied by 4 plus 8 is equals to 5 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 8. We have distributed 5 into the addends 4 and 8 and then find their product. First we multiply 5 by 4, then we multiply 5 by 8 and then find their sums. Again 3 multiplied by 10 plus 100 is equals to, first we multiply 3 by 10, then we multiply 3 by 100 and then find their sums. So both the answers are same. We distributed 3 into 10 and 100. 9 multiplied by 13 plus 8 is equals to 9 multiplied by 13 and then 9 multiplied by 8 and then find the sum of the answers of the bracket. Now let's solve. Fill in the blanks. 7 plus 6 is equals to dash plus 7. Now what we have to write in the bracket to make this sentence true and to make both the sides equal. Here we have 7 and 6. So what we have write in the in this blank. I want all of you to stop the video and think what we have to write in the in this blank. Okay. We have to write 6 in this blank because here on left hand side we have 7 and 6. And on right hand side we have just 7. So what we have to write in the blank, we have to write 6 in the blank. I have told you that we cannot change the numbers, just we can change their places. And when we solve this, we got the same answer. 7 plus 6, 13, and 6 plus 7 is also 13. Next example is 30 plus 8 plus 2 is equals to 30 plus dash plus 2. Here we have group 30 and 8. So what we have to write here to make the group of the number and to make the same answer. Here we have 30 plus 8 as a group plus 2. Now here we have 30 plus dash plus 2. So what we have to write in the blank? We have to write 8 in the blank. Because we cannot change the number. Here we have 30, 8 and 2 and here we have 30 and 2. So we have to write 8 in the blank. 8 is left, so we have to write 8 in the blank. And when we solve this, first we have to solve the bracket. So first we have solved the bracket. 30 plus 8 is 38 plus 2 is equals to 30 plus 8 plus 2 is 10. Again 38 plus 2 is 40 and 30 plus 10 is 40. So we have same answer. Now 2 multiplied by 5 plus 9 is equals to 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2 multiplied by dash. Here we have 2 multiplied by 5 plus 9 and here we distribute 2 by 5. So here we distribute 2 by 9. So 2 multiplied by 5 plus 9 is equals to 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2 multiplied by 9. And when we solve this, here we solve 5 plus 9, we got 14. Then multiply by 2 and 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. Then find their sum. First we have to solve the bracket and then find their sum. Now 2 multiplied by 14 is 28 and 10 multiplied by 18 is 28. So the answers are same. This is called the commutative property of addition. This is called the associative property of addition. associative property of addition. And this is the distributive property. So if we have a question like this, we have to fill the blanks. So first we have to think that which property, which law belongs to this statement, and then we have to solve this statement. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.